In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Canva. Trimming a video simply means cutting off parts from the beginning, the end, or both, so you only keep the section you actually want to use. This is really useful if you've recorded more than you need, or if you just want a short, clean clip for social media, a presentation, or any other project. First, open your video in the Canva editor. You can do this by opening a design that already has a video in it, or by uploading a new video and adding it to your canvas. Once your video is visible on the canvas, you're ready to start trimming. Click directly on the video on your canvas. You can also click on the video in the timeline at the bottom of the screen if you see it there. As soon as the video is selected, a toolbar will appear along the top of the editor. This toolbar gives you different options for editing your clip. On this toolbar, look for the small scissors icon. This is the trim tool. Go ahead and click that. When you do, the toolbar will change to show you a field that displays the total length of your video in seconds, along with a timeline of the clip. You can trim your video in two main ways. The first way is by using the time field. Here you can type in the exact start and end times you want to keep. This is helpful if you know the precise in and out points of your clip, or if you want to make your video an exact length. The second way is more visual. Use the timeline that appears below. Hover your mouse over the beginning or the end of the timeline until you see the handles you can drag. Then click and drag from the start or the end of the clip towards the right or left to remove unwanted sections. As you drag, you'll see the video length update, so you can quickly see how long your trimmed clip will be. Take a moment to play back the video inside this trim view if needed, just to make sure you're happy with where it starts and ends. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Done on the toolbar. Your video on the canvas will now be updated to the new trimmed length, and you can continue editing your design, adding text, music, or other elements as needed.